Look at this dude.
What is up, guys? I am maybe like Amy, and I am a game developer for Exorealism Studios. In this video, I will guide you through the absolute basics for Exorealism Studios. I hope you enjoyed the video. So first thing we're going to do is learn the Explorer and properties. So, the workspace is this right here. If you can see things inside of here. You can press shift and click two things to get them both. And then you can do the same thing. So if you want to insert a part, for example, you can put right here in a part. And also there's the part up here. So yeah, me realizing it now, you're probably on like the next gen thing. It should be about the same. But yeah. So now let's go to the beginner mistakes. So let's say you're building something like a map. Let me just make a house, I guess, for example. Alright, so something like this. Now this looks absolutely terrible. And also, if you join the game, you go right here. It looks fine, but if you touch it, it'll start to fall apart. Like, you have no clue what I'm talking about. So let's say you have this wall right here. You can probably barely tell, but it's moving a tiny bit, and then it might fall. So you want to get all of your parts, and you want to press anchor. You can use Control and G to group this. For Macs, it's probably like Command. I don't know. I don't have a Mac. But yeah, now this might look perfect in Studio, but let's say, because I didn't make it like this, you might have made it like this. It looks perfectly fine in Studio, but it's way big. So you want to build with a rig. So if you don't know how to do that, go to Avatar, and then go to Rig Builder, and then click this or that. I use R6. That's what most of our games will be using. It's just easier and it looks better than R15. Not gonna lie. Anyways, yeah. Now lights. You're probably not gonna be thinking of adding lights, but it's one of the most important things ever in Studio if you're building. So let's say right here we add a spotlight. It is very weird, and I don't know how they work, like how the directions get there, but you gotta do some stuff like that. Yeah, for me in this case it was bottom. It might not be for you, I don't know, but it doesn't really look good, and just extending it doesn't look amazing. But I mean, you could just turn down the transparency, which, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, if you don't see this, go to View, Explore, and Properties, and then those will open. And then, yeah, it's gonna, and then you can just have that invisible light source. But for the spotlight properties, you can change the angle and the range. So like this would probably not look good in a real Roblox game. Or actually, it might. I don't know. I'm just not used to doing this. Let's put it in here. Let's just do that and do that, and then boom, in folders. Then you can put the folder inside the folder, so on and so forth. I don't think there's still a limit to folders. Well, it makes sense. So now let's now some I guess useful stuff. So back to building. I know I'm going everywhere. So, materials. So you can use the materials up here or right here, like this, to make different stuff. I mean, you're gonna have, it doesn't automatically color, obviously, so you're gonna have to change the color. So a good would probably look like that. So yeah, that's gonna be it for the tutorial. I know, very short video, but if this is not the first video on this channel, it's very close. We're still learning, and yeah, have a good rest of your day and peace.